Hey guys, what's up? What is in my kit? This is like a big bonus feature for y'all. So when we have wigs, we are gluing them down and we're also removing them. So, and for facial hair as well, I use my watercolor brush. So you think you filled it up with water? No, no, no. We fill it up with 70% or 90% alcohol. Make sure you label which one is which, but then you can come in and go underneath the hairline, squeeze some out, and you can come along and get it out. Great little trick. I did learn this from Valerie Gladstone. Love you, Val. She literally has tons of these, all different shapes and sizes, and it really works well. You can come in and you can literally just paint on and get rid of all the glue. You can also fill them with glue so that you can come in, paint, put it back down, stick, using your sponge, sticking it back down. So that's my little bonus tip. You get them at any craft store. They're really great to have in your kit because you never know when you'll need a little bit of alcohol or whatever you need.